Hi y'all, so we're gonna do fireworks here in a minute, but I just seen a huge firework over here. There's some fireworks over here. Oh, man, that was big. I don't have the girls over here because I'm eating cake right now. I wish I would have turned my flash on, but I didn't. So me and you guys are just gonna sit here and watch some fireworks. And eat cake. Here, you guys want a bite? Delicious. It's really dark. But yeah, I think that's enough over there. Now we have to wait for us to do fireworks. So yeah, we're almost ready for the fireworks. So we got light stick thingies. We got blue. She's getting them ready. We have white, red, and blue. I'm getting red.
Here, white?
Actually, no, I want blue.
Okay.
So yeah.
These are
Around the world and around the world and around the world.
They're necklaces.
Around the world and around the world and around the world.
Lord.
What?
Come right here.
And this is Jacob.
Bro, do
This is Jacob. We can't see him though. And then yeah, that's his brother.
Your phone is about to get demonetized.
No, please don't.
Hold on. You see it?
Yeah, I'm doing this so because it looks cool and I like it. Ow, I hit my leg. I hit my leg with it. She's an angel because she has it on her
What
head.
are we talking about? Red.
And I'm filming a video. His is white because he is white.
Oh, yeah?
And his is red because his skin is red. And mine is blue because I'm a Smurf. And my little brother's is white. And she has two red ones. One of these thingies. Those things are my favorite. Yay! Yay! Fire. My little brother has two of them, and then there's one on the ground. And this is my favorite time of the year, besides Christmas.
That's me. Here.
Y'all. I look so weird. Here's the kid.